Back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to mount folder as drive in Windows 11 PC. When you mount a folder as a virtual drive, you will be able to access the folder from the virtual drive. The contents of the folder will still physically reside in the original folder location. This means that anything you save to the virtual drive will actually be saved to the folder's location, and similarly deleting anything from the virtual drive will delete it from folders locations. Virtual drives from mounted folders are not persistent and are only available during the current user session. If you sign out, restart, or shut down the computer, all the current virtual drives will be removed, meaning they will be unmounted by default. To mount any folder, first open command prompt or PowerShell. For that, click on this one start button. Type here cmd or PowerShell. After that, click on this one entry. Once command prompt or PowerShell opens, you need to type subst a space drive letter. For example, in my PC, C and D is already in use, so I can assign drive letter E, F, G, H, anything after D. So I will, for this example, I will assign here F drive. After that, put a colon. After that, you need to put the full path of the folder. So just open File Explorer and locate the folder you want to mount as a virtual drive. For example, I will mount this one folder. So my path will be D under reasoning. So I will copy and paste this one path. After that, press enter on the keyboard. This will be mounted as a virtual drive. You can see in a File Explorer earlier I had two drive C and D, and now this one F is exist. So in case you have mounted several folders as a drive and you want to list it, just again type subst command and then press enter on the keyboard. This will show which folder is mounted on which drive. In case you want to unmount it, again use this one command subst. After that, this one drive letter, for my case it is F drive, so I will here put here F colon a space slash D. This will dismount. Just press enter on the keyboard again to check which drive is mounted. You can see there is nil result, there is no result. That means in my PC all the virtual drives has been unmounted. You can see here also only C and D are existing. I will put these all commands in this video description. In case you need it, you can copy it from there. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.